right, just bought a 2018 Honda Pilot. See that nasty radio? I'm gonna change that out probably tomorrow. But what I want to do, I'm gonna install, I guess, Fangor dual screen DVD player. It should be really simple, but let's go ahead and just take the stuff out and see what we got. Instructions, nobody read. You just watch YouTube videos and follow it that way. Got a remote. Or actually, that's not the remote. That's to go on the back of the headrest. Which I like these better than the straps. So, I'm gonna take this, open it up, and I'm guessing this is gonna either connect to the back of the screen, and then there's gonna be another piece that connects to the headrest. But I'll look that up and I'll find out for sure. And then we got two screens. And these are 10.5-inch screens. I saw these on Amazon, but then I wound up ordering them from Walmart. Walmart had it for about $10 cheaper. And then I figured, if anything, I could just bring it right back to my Walmart. It's closer than just mailing it off. But this is the screen. It's not bad. And then it'll just sit on the back like that. So then the kids will have something to watch. So let me go ahead and set everything up, and then I'll show you how it looks. All right, so you know I was just playing. So you're gonna grab the instructions, and from the menu it does tell you to get a screwdriver. It is a Phillips, and you're gonna just screw the 4 screws from here just to loosen this up. Once you loosen it up, you're gonna wrap it around the headrest, tighten it. Then once you tighten it, then we could put the screen. It's gonna connect it to another piece, like a little piece that's gonna go in there, and that's gonna connect to the back of the screen. So just give me a minute and let's go ahead and do that. All right, so once you unscrew the 4 screws, go ahead, and what I did was I just took the whole headrest off, squeezed this obviously, pull it up, took the headrest off, then put this between the headrest, between the bars of the headrest, and then I screwed it back on to tighten it. But that's how it looks. So you're gonna do that, then you're just gonna get the piece to plug into here, and then connect that to the back of the screen. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, so you're gonna take this piece. I just unscrewed it just so it could be kind of like a 90 degrees. This is as close as it's gonna get. And then you just take this and screw this piece to the back of here so that it could be connected. So it'll look like that. And you see it as this piece. This will connect into here. And then it also does have a little button. You just push to release it. So let's go ahead and push that in there. So now boom. Little screen for the back. And then, like I said, you just reach under here. I don't know if I can really get it good. Let's see. These buttons right here, you push it in, then you can release it. And that's how you release. So, not bad for the kids. All right, so I just did the same thing on this side. So I got screen 2, screen 1, and now with the different adapters, I have this plugged into the car for the power. Then it'll just be plugged in back here. Then we have the RCA cables. We have the aux or the AV that will actually plug from one side to the other. So then that way they both can play the same exact video. And this is the DC cable. This is so the other screen 2 can actually have power as well. So I'm gonna do that, set that up. The only difference with these are you know, if I just had the regular headrest screens, is that I can't really hide the cables, but for the road trip, it'll be fine. As long as the little one in the middle is not really kicking the cords, but I'll try to clean it up as best as I could, so stay tuned. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of did extra, but I think it looks good. So what I did was, I didn't want the cords everywhere, so I actually fished it through the seat, and just used a zipper, had to go under the seat and unclip things. This is the only cord that's really exposed, besides like the power cord. Turn this down, I don't want to have it. Let me pause it actually. But screens work. I do have them set up so that way they are mirroring each other. DVD goes into the one screen, but then the aux cord or AV cord actually connects to both. I have them fished through. Looks good, it'll get the job done. I do have another auxiliary cord that I could just plug into like the headphone jack, and then from there plug it into my car speaker, so then that way it could play throughout the car if this wasn't loud enough, or I'll just have the kids just connect their headphones to it while they're watching it, and it does a trick. I mean it does a job. So shout out to Fangor, however you want to pronounce it. Pretty good. So far so good as far as like the quality. It looks really good. Got the volume on here, which is pretty cool. It has an HDMI port as well, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, so like you'll be able to plug stick to it. Roku, I saw people do. Not bad. So that's the end of that. Again, you don't have to do the extra part like having it fish through the seat. I just did it just so it's less cords to be kicked around. Not bad. So hope y'all liked it. Stay tuned, because I am gonna definitely take this radio out and put a bigger radio in later.